Here are two very deceiving questions, just as the whole chapter of functions is. I felt that students think that this is the easiest chapter they have come across, but once they go for a test or a quiz, they realize how difficult or tricky the subject is. Now here, go through question number 27 and 28 and try to answer them. Question 27. The function f of x equals to x minus 1 plus x squared plus x plus 1 minus x squared is linear, quadratic or cubic? Question 28. F of x, and we have got set of values here, and you have to find out whether it represents a linear function, a quadratic function, or neither. Okay? Once you're done with your answer, check with the solution. Okay, here is how we are going to look into question 27. When you're given the function f of x, let's try to simplify it. When you look at it, it looks like a quadratic function, right? Because of the degree 2, right? It looks like a quadratic function. But if I expand it, what do I get? So you get x plus x is 2x, right? And minus 1 plus 1 is 0. And plus x squared and minus x squared is also 0. So f of x is equal to 2x. So that clearly indicates that this given function is linear, correct? So that's our option. Option A, linear, correct? How about question 28? Now, do you see the data given here? It is not organized. So first step is you need to organize the data and then find first difference and second difference and then figure out whether it is linear or quadratic. So if we organize it, what do we get? So first we should write minus 3, 10, correct? And then minus 2, 5. And then minus 1, 2. Then comes 0, 1, and then with 1 and 2, and then 2 and 5. Right? So now we have our data, right? And now we can find the first difference and second difference and then see whether it's linear or not, correct? That's the whole idea. Now, if you organize it, so we are trying to find the first difference, second difference between the y values, correct? So the first difference is 5 minus 10. So 5 minus 10 will give you minus 5. 2 minus 5 will give you minus 3, correct? 1 minus 2 will give you minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 5 minus 2 is 3, correct? So that's your first difference. Now let's find out the second difference. Second difference for this is minus 5 minus 3 minus 5. So it gives me plus 2, correct? And minus 1 minus 3 gives me plus 2. 1 minus of minus 1 gives me plus 2. And 3 minus 1 gives me plus 2. So that is the second difference, correct? So this is our second difference, right? And we see second difference is constant. Therefore, the function is quadratic, correct? So have a good look at these two questions and try to understand what we should do before answering or before making this multiple choice, okay? It could be very tricky at times. Thank you.